Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. For this episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering or BSCE. BS Civil Engineering is a course na nagfo-focus sa planning, design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructures and structures. So in simple terms, ang mga civil engineers, ang mga tao behind our roads, bridges, buildings, highways, mga drainage system, at iba pang mga infrastructures na ginagamit natin sa araw-araw. This course is actually known for being very technical and math-heavy because students will study subjects like structural engineering, surveying, geotechnical engineering, hydraulics and water resources, transportation engineering, construction materials and methods, engineering mathematics and calculus, physics for engineers, project management, and construction planning. So, ang daming mga mabibigat na subjects sa kursong ito. So, if hindi ka talaga comfortable with math and solving technical problems, this course can be very challenging. Aside from being math-heavy, itong kurso na to, marami talagang problem-solving dito, maraming computation, may mga plano, and even field or site work depending on the project. Now, let's talk about career opportunities. So, after mong graduate ng civil engineer, you have the option to take the board exam and become a licensed civil engineer. Kung graduate ka ng civil engineering, you can work as a civil engineer, structural engineer, a site engineer, a quantity surveyor, planning engineer, transportation engineer. So, marami ka rin namang mga options ng mga trabaho na pagpipilian. Pwede kang mag-work sa mga construction companies, mga government infrastructure projects, mga real estate developers, mga engineering firms, and even overseas construction projects. This course can actually open a lot of opportunities, especially because infrastructure and construction will always be needed. Now, when it comes to salary range naman, it will still depend on the company, sa experience mo, and kung licensed engineer ka na ba. But fresh graduates usually start around 20 to 35,000, and licensed engineers can earn around 30 to 60,000 a month. If you're on a mid-level position, you can range from 50k to 100k a month, and for senior engineers or project managers, they can earn more than 100,000 a month. If you're an overseas engineer, mas malaki pa yung pwede mong kitain. Now, sino nga ba yung mga bagay sa BS Civil Engineering? This course might be a good fit for you if you are good in math and physics, mahilig kang mag-solve ng problems, interested ka sa buildings and construction, you can handle pressure and deadlines, if you're willing to work on site or on field environments, and you're patient when it comes to long-term projects. Honestly, this is one of the more challenging engineering courses, but also one of the most rewarding because you are literally helping build infrastructures that people use every day. So that is BS Civil Engineering explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.